All right, folks, so for the camera, okay, so that folks are defeating the coronavirus one relevant balance at a time. Okay? So a few things. Stay tall with the supporting side. Okay? Point tendu. When you fondue, don't shift your weight into the heel. Keep the ears up. Okay? Keep the ears up. Shoulders should slightly be in front of the hips. Okay? When you push into the floor, the same mechanic happens as we were working on in the posse. You have to transition through straight before you press to elevate. Now the transition does happen quickly, but you must move through straight. You can't go from fondue right to pop the heel because then you never have a chance to straighten your leg. Plus, that means you never push into the floor. So, when you're working on the balance in the position, or anytime you're going from fondue to the releve, you have to make sure that we're going from the fondue. You have to transition through straight so all the muscles are activated before you press to the releve, and that happens simultaneously. Okay, try that. Okay, 5, 6, 7, fondue. Press. Now, fondue, hold your breath, or fondue, press. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, fondue. Now, fondue, hold it long enough for the camera to take a photo, or hold it to be there. Which one? Hold it to be there. So, if you only use enough energy to get there and then you stop, that's just like getting going, and then like, as soon as you get your momentum up, then you let go. Okay, and you're relying on your body just to kind of fall into place. And then one day that will happen, but you have to do it enough for your body to know what place it's falling into. Okay, try again. Arms up. Okay, fondue. Now from the fondue, feel your weight in the floor. Square the hips, level the hips, pull that working hip back, working it back. Now make sure your shoulders are slightly forward in front of your hips. Shoulders slightly forward in front of your hips. Shoulders slightly forward in front of the hips. Now press the legs straight into releve, up, all the way, up, inner thighs, squeeze them together, and close first position, and complete. Okay, you're leaning back, you're counterbalancing, okay? Because counterbalancing is not balancing at all, okay? That's just using enough energy in the body to keep yourself from falling over. So the counterbalance is never going to be a balance for dance, okay? Your balance has to happen with the coordination of the body parts stacking up the way that they're supposed to. So get your shoulders slightly over your hips, okay? So that the front of your body, when you press to the releve, is making a straight line over the ball of your foot. So the front of your body, from your shoulder through the ball of the foot, should be making a straight line when you're at the top of the releve. Now, when you come down, also make sure that we're squeezing the inner thighs to bring everything towards the center line versus dropping your weight back. Dropping your weight back means that you did what with your weight? It went where? It went back. So were you ever on your balance if your weight was back? No. Fix it. Okay. 5, 6, 7, fondue. Press. Fondue, hold your breath. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, fondue. Press. Good. Try the other side. Thank goodness for editing. Now fix your bodies. Sure. Look in the mirror. Fix your body. Okay. There. Get your shoulders slightly in the floor. There you go. Okay. Press. Push into the floor. Now the energy you use to push into the floor is the same energy you continue to use while you're in the balance. Okay. So there's a life note hidden in there. Okay. What you use to get where you want to be, keep doing that thing once you get there. Okay. 5, 6, 7, fondue. Press.